everyone, I wanted to make a really quick video today showing you how to upload a Favicon to your Shopify store. This is pretty similar across almost all the themes you'll be using. I'll be using Dawn today, but if you go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard, head over to the left hand side and click on Online Store and Themes underneath it. Go and press Customize next to your current theme. And then on the left hand side you should see a theme settings option. Go ahead and click that all the way on the left hand side, and under logo you should see an option to upload your Favicon image. If this is different for your theme, if you have a very niche theme maybe, or a non-standard Shopify theme, then you may have to search a little bit, but the process should ideally be very similar, and most themes it will be. So go ahead and select an image, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload an image that I just found in this tab right here, this Favicon, and it's uploading. There, it's done. I'm going to go ahead and press save, and then I'm going to go ahead and press save in the top right hand corner, and it looks like it's going to show the transparent background like it does for the logo here, but that's only because my images aren't real images, they are just tests. So go ahead and click on the view your store online next to the online store, and you should be able to see an example. And there you can see it's pretty small, but up in my my tab here you can see the Favicon is uploaded correctly. I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.